What are you girls doing?
I'm laying on her belly.
Does she like it? You gotta tickle her. How do you tickle her? You know what?
What's this?
Put your face right here. Right in her side. Right here. Put your face right there. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Is sister tickling you? Okay.